In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comma to separate thousands in Microsoft Excel. If you have numbers in Excel that are hard to read, adding commas can make them much clearer at a glance. For example, a value like 1,900 is much easier to understand when it appears as 1 tetron. The good news is that Excel makes this very simple using the Format Cells option. To get started, select the cells you want to format. These can be just a few cells, a full column, or even a larger range if you want to update multiple numbers at once. Make sure you highlight every cell where you want the 1,000 separators to appear before moving on. Once the cells are selected, right-click on any of the highlighted cells and choose Format Cells from the menu. This opens the formatting window where Excel lets you control how your numbers are displayed without changing the actual values inside the cells. That's important because formatting affects appearance, not the underlying number. In the Format Cells window, click the Number tab. This is where you'll find several formatting categories for values such as dates, currency, percentages, and standard numbers. Next, select Number from the category list. This tells Excel that you want to keep the values in a regular number format while adjusting how they are shown. After that, check the box labeled Use 1000 Separator with a comma shown in parentheses. As soon as you select this option, Excel will prepare to display commas between thousands, making long numbers much easier to read. You'll also see an option to choose the number of decimal places. Set this based on how you want your data to appear. For whole numbers, you can choose 0 decimal places. If your numbers include cents, measurements, or more precise values, you might choose 2 decimal places instead. This gives you control over both readability and precision. Once everything looks right, click OK. Excel will immediately apply the formatting to the selected cells, and your numbers should now display with commas separating the thousands. That's all it takes. This is a quick but very useful formatting change, especially when you're working with financial data, reports, large totals, or any spreadsheet where readability matters. If your numbers don't change after formatting, double check that the cells contain actual numeric values and not text. When the cells are properly recognized as numbers, this method works smoothly. And that's how to add a comma to separate thousands in Microsoft Excel.